Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. And in today's video, we are going to continue our series like basic Java programs for QA. And in this, we are going to cover the factorial. And the reason of me including factorial in this series is to introduce the concept of recursion. Okay, so let's start. Um, let's make the class factorial. And if you're not aware, we have already covered these many programs. So you can have a look. Let's write our main method. Let's directly create the class fact and we need to find the factorial of 4. Okay, now let's define this method, private static. We will return. Okay, so that's why let's int f. So after this program is completed, we are going to return this value. So let's say the factorial, let's cover the corner case, like the initial two cases for factorial 0 and 1, or possibly we can start with the for loop one and later we can cover this recursion one. So let us start with the for loop. So let's take this factorial as 1 initially and we will cover the corner cases later on. Okay, so I is going to start from first and this will run till f. Okay, now what will happen that we have to keep on adding. And after this, let us return the fact. So 4 will come here and like it will start from 1 and will go to 4. So after each and every iteration, it is going to multiply and save the result in fact. This is pretty simple. So like let us save it and display it here. Factorial. We are just simply displaying it here. F. Let's run our program. So 4 factorial is 24, I guess. Yeah, this is 24 and let us now test for 5. This is 120. So this is working correctly. Now let us like include one more method. So through recursion. Okay, let me open a Word document. Mm, so this is our blank document and we are going to cover a very interesting thing, recursion. Let me open my draw tool. So right now, what is happening that let's say we have to find the 4 factorial. Okay, so what we have to do, like what is the solution for this? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Then what is it? This particular part is 3 factorial, correct? And what is this 3 factorial? So this is a 3 into 2 factorial. Okay, and what is this 2 factorial? This is 2 into 1 factorial. So we have to start from the base case and keep on building towards the end goal, that is 4 factorial. So look at this in the form of a stack. So 4 will come here. Okay, after this 3 2 1 and the program will start calculating from the end. Okay, it will calculate the 1 factorial that like the corner cases which we will include. So it will return the 1 factorial and after that it will keep on calculating this and this will be waiting for this. So 2 factorial will be multiplied with the 3 factorial and similarly like it will keep on building. Okay, so this was a very simple concept. So let us like try to write the pseudocode here. We have a uh, like method factorial, and this is f. We need to find the f factorial. Okay, so for that, what we can do is that f should call the factorial, and see, like for 4 factorial, we are multiplying 4 with what is this? So if this is n, this is n minus 1. Okay, and we have to multiply it with the f. Okay, so in this, if you see, so right now this is 4 and this is 3 factorial. Okay, and this is 4. Okay, after this, the program will go to 3 factorial. So at 3 factorial, it will wait for 2 factorial and it will multiply it with 3. Similarly, for 2, it will be 1 factorial, multiply it with 2. Similarly, got it? So I guess you will understand more when we will code, and we will try to come again and see the logic behind it. This method will be fact1, and we need to pass the same. Let us comment this first method. Okay. Um, Now we have to define a new method, private static int fact1, and this is taking a parameter as int. Let us define the base cases, that if f is 0 or f is 1. Okay, then in that case, return 1, because 0 factorial is also 1 and 1 factorial also 1 factorial is also 1. So in both the cases we will return 1. Else, what we can do is that f, as we have seen earlier, that we need to like write this logic. Okay, so we need to call fact1 again, and in this we need to pass f minus 1 and multiply it with f. So if we are calling 4 factorial, then it should call the 3 factorial and multiply it with 4. So then it will calculate the 3 factorial, then 2 factorial, and it will start building from the 1 factorial. So 1 factorial will return 1. So by the time 1 will come here, it will be multiplied by 2, then 3, then 4. Okay, so after this, we can return f. Okay, and let us try to test this. So 5 factorial is 120, 120. And if we test this for 0, so it should give us 1, because it will come into this condition. Okay, and let us try to print 10 factorial. Yeah, I'm not sure whether this is true or not, but I guess, like, I know 5 factorial, so this program is working correctly. So our next program, we will also try to continue the same recursion series, and let's like let's see that how the program works. So that's it, guys. If you have any issue in this program, just comment down and I'll be very happy to help you out. Thank you for watching. Bye.